Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So it's been a couple of months where I haven't able to upload the video. So there are a lot of reasons, but from now onwards I'm going to upload videos in this channel. And basically I'm just focusing on improving myself more and want to basically help people who's over want to enhance their English communication skills along with that speaking skills. Basically, my major focus towards to improve speaking and as most of the peoples are fear of, as we all know, in the starting of everyone's career he want to basically speak fluently. Because of that he can able to get a job, and without having basically speaking of this language we cannot able to get a job, whether we have a PhD degree or master degree. It is a very vital part nowadays in the industry, and for that I just want to upload a video every single day so that I can build a confidence, and along with that I can get the vocabulary. And this is the method which I have basically so all the peoples who are initial to language learning. So this is very a great method which you can use in your life and your day to day basis, because that is how you can see yourself along with basically your communication skills. This is how you can basically level your communication skills with other, where you stand and where you need, what is your end goal. So I found out my earlier video. Over that I found that I was not speaking that fluent that I'm speaking currently. And yeah, I've learned a lot. But in terms of, if I challenge myself in terms of speaking in Q card, that is the time where I'm lacking. I think that is the most important part, because in the interviews we got situation which we haven't planned, right? So as I'm talking to the YouTube, I'm very fluent about it. But in terms of basically speaking on the random topics, it takes time to me to grasp that. So yeah, these are the things which I'm going to focus more on and try to basically challenge myself. You can also challenge yourself to speak fluently. So this is just an announcement that from now onwards I'm going to upload video every single day. And so today's video short, right? So upcoming days I'm going to upload video, a lengthy video which people can understand and learn from it. So bye bye, have a good day.